In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your iPhone, 2 ways on how to do this, and how to turn on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max. So let's get started right away. So let's say your iPhone is turned on, you want to turn it off. You have two different options. The first one is to drag down from the top. You need to keep press this power button right there during a second. And then it will give you this over here, slide to power off, slide this, and the iPhone will power off. It only takes a few seconds. To power back your iPhone, you just need to keep press this power button on the right side during a few seconds until you see the Apple logo appearing on the screen. Then you can release that button and wait another 20 seconds until the iPhone lock screen will appear and you'll be able to use it. And finally, let me show you another way on how to turn off your iPhone 16. So to turn it off, press volume up, volume down, and then keep press the power button until you have the slider appearing. You need to do this quickly. Let me demonstrate. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Now I can release it because I see the slider. I just need to slide it and the iPhone will be turned off. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. A very quick tutorial. If you have any questions, please write a comment down below. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.